Welcome to CP's Garage, where tonight, because it's almost dark, I'm going to show you how to rebuild your AC tensioner for your F-150 diesels. This thing is known to take dumps at the most inconvenient time because it's got a plastic pulley on it. So let's put a metal pulley on it and a new shock. To get this started, we're going to need a new Daco pulley, and we're going to need a new strut from a Porsche. Part numbers will be down in the description if you need them, or if you think you can find them, have fun. But these things are made by INA, as you can see right there. After doing some research, I found that Porsche uses these exact same things. So does BMW, but I think they're a little different in size. But the Porsche ones fit great. The part number, again, will be in the link. Same with the new metal pulley and not plastic. If you're going to go through the trouble of replacing this, why use a plastic one? Get a metal one so this doesn't seize up and eat your belt. To do this, you're only going to need a few tools. You're going to need a 10mm to get to the pulley. Then you'll need a 1/2-inch drive ratchet with an extension to release it, and you'll need a 10mm to take off the bolts on the pulley. Once you have the bolts off and it out of the vehicle, you'll need a pocket screwdriver and a T50 Torx bit. So what we'll do, we'll get the pocket screwdriver under there, pop off the cap, easy. We'll take our impact and a T50, and vibrate the table until it comes off. Both bolts on this is a T50. So this thing, you can chuck it. I ended up having to get my big impact gun to get this thing off. So, easy peasy. So here's an original. See, plastic, not so nice. But when we compare them, they're a little different in size, but the way it matters this way, they are exactly the same in size, and the diameter of the hole in the middle is the same. So bolt in, start by hand, grab the impact gun and let it do its work. Now we'll grab the new tensioner. We'll grab our new tensioner, bolt in it on the top, and we'll just start it in there. We'll just tighten it down. Once all that's done, you put your bolts back in. Put your bolt back in. Put the metal washers on the back side of them. Put the metal washers on the back side of them, and put it back on the truck. Fortunately, these metal ones won't retain the little dust cover, but it doesn't matter in my opinion. You'll hear this thing fail, unlike this, where it'll just fail and chuck your belt and destroy your day. If you want the part numbers, they are down in the description below for the pulley and for the strut. As you can see, this thing fits just like the original did. For more content on these 3 liters in the Range Rover or the F-150, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys.